Any given compound, whether ionic or covalent, is first assumed to be made up of positive and negative ions. If these ions are stable, or in other words, if the attractive force between them is not too great, then there is a tendency to form ionic bond. If the attractive force between them is great, then electrons in the outer orbit of the anion is attracted towards the cation, forming a covalent bond. This is possible if charge on the cation is high. It will increase its attraction power. The electrons of an anion are also attracted towards the cation if the size of the cation is small. This enables the anion to come more close to the cation nucleus. If the size of the anion is large, then the outer electrons are less firmly attached to its nucleus. This enables the outer electrons to come closer to the cation. The conditions stated above for the formation of covalent bond was summed up in Pajan's rule. Pajan's rule states that a compound is covalent when the cation has a high positive charge, the size of the cation is small, and the size of the anion is large. And a compound is electrovalent when the cation has a low positive charge, the size of the cation is large, and the size of the anion is small.